Cuneta Show.
Thank you. I'd like to thank Chris Joey, all those people who allowed themselves to be taped just to greet me on my birthday. Thank you so much to all my friends. Thank you.
Narito mga kaibigan ngayon, ang isang kagalang-galang na direktor, paborito ni Sharon, Maning Borlasa.
Tito Maning, it's so nice to be with you again.
Alam mo ba, Joey, itong si Sharon ang pinaka-paborito ko.
Paborito, yan. On record.
Siya ang pinaka-paborito kong karibal.
Karibal.
Huwag kang iimik. Bisita mo ako. Siya ang paborito kong karibal. Hindi mo napansin. Nung inaugural presentation ninyo, wala dito si Gabi.
Oo nga.
Hindi mo napansin, ngayong gabi, nandito si Gabi.
Bakit nga?
Nandito ako.
Ayun.
Darling, seriously, I wish you a happy 21st birthday. At sa lahat ng naging artista ko, eto pa, kung sino pa yung hindi kailangang magpursige dahil kakain kahit hindi magtrabaho, siya pang pinakamasipag, siya pang ambisyoso, siya pang nauuna sa akin sa set. Darling, may your thriving Chris. I love you.
Thank you very much, Tito Maning. I love you
Thank
too.
you. Maning
Thank
Borlasa,
you.
ladies and gentlemen.
Joey, Tito Maning gave me one of my first 3 awards. He gave me my FAMAS.
Ayun. Hindi, basta Maning Borling and Sharon
Hindi lang siya
Conetti.
naka-shorts
Yan na
ngayon.
yun.
Darling, after your Darna, hindi ko na kayang mag-shorts.
Sorry ka na
The
lang.
next time,
Yun ang napula ko.
the next time na ididirect kita, kinakailangan, naka-long pants na ako palagi.
Oh, sige na nga, Tito Maning. At
At
saka
this
huwag ka
point-
na masyadong mapapatid dahil pag napapatid ka, tumutumba ka sa asawa ko.
Yun na.
Oo.
Okay. Sharon,
Thank you very much.
at this point, may mga gustong bumati pa sa yung ilang friends mo. At narito, nais kong pakilala. Ladies and gentlemen, would you please welcome on the Sharon Cuneta Show, Mr. Tito Soto and Helen Gamon.
Wow! Hey! Wow! Thank you! Hi! Thank you, happy. Hi. Hello.
Good evening to everybody.
Good evening, everybody. Bago ko pagsilitain yung aking may bahay na nakapag-asawa ng magandang lalaki. Bakit? Nais ko munang batiin ang aking alaga ng happy birthday. 10 years ago. Gano'ng kalaki ka nun? Ganyan? Ganyan. Nakatayo siya sa harapan nung mesa ko sa opisina. Sabi ko, kantahin mo nga yan. Bigyan ko nga, kung marunong ka. Kinanta niya. Magaling. Sabi ko, siguro balang araw mapanood kita sa Araneta, sa Metropolitan Theater. So, eto na nga. Eto na. Mismo. Okay. Happy birthday.
I specifically came over first to greet you a happy birthday, and second, I would like to give you something which I hope you will cherish. In 1966, the year you were born, your Lola gave this to me. It is a family heirloom, and now I want to hand it down to you, and I hope you will treasure it because I love you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Ma. I would like to thank my Tita Helen and my Uncle Tito. Those two of the most special people in my life. Although I never really had too many opportunities to show it. But without them, ladies and gentlemen, I wouldn't be where I am now. I wouldn't have started in the first place. So I'd like to thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you.